안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. We're glad to see you guys in Ashgabat.
Yes.
And you guys, we see that you guys not only do Taekwondo, but you also do K-pop. Our girls liked you guys performing. Could you please share your impressions about Ashgabat, about this performance? How did you like it here?
Yes. Ashgabat is very
Clean,
clean.
clean and beautiful.
Looks beautiful.
Height. So height.
So high?
Yes.
Hot, you mean? Hot.
Oh,
Okay. Have you done any other performances in other countries?
Yes. I have ever been USA or Australia.
You did these performances too there.
Yes.
So to reach your level, how many years do we have to practice to get your black belt?
I begin 13,
13 years?
14 years.
14 years. Wow. Have you seen people, I mean, doing the Taekwondo in Ashgabat?
Oh no, I
We didn't have chance.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. How many days more are you going to be here?
We going tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Did you miss Korea? You want to go back home?
Oh, we like Ashgabat.
Did you? You want to go back?
Yes.
You, you don't want to go back. Did you miss Korean food? Did you find it in Ashgabat?
Ashgabat food is very.
Do you know there are Koreans living in north of Turkmenistan, but they don't speak Korean. They speak Russian. Did you know that?
Yes, I know.
They do kimchi. They do all the Korean traditions. I have 3 classmates Korean. Yeah, their surnames are Kim, Jen, Kan, Lee.
Oh.
Korean. They moved long time ago here. Do you know about them?
No, I don't.
Okay. Thank you guys. I wish you guys good luck. Okay.